Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to do question 2 of this question paper. Question 2, we are given a geometric sequence. Okay, the first question here is saying that determine n if the nth term of the sequence is equal to 10 divided by 729. Okay, that means determine the term that is equal to 729. Okay, the first thing that you do here is these are your terms. This is your a, this, then the next thing you find your r. A is equal to 30, r is equal to t2 divided by t1, which is 10 over 3 equal to 1 over 3, or 10 over 3 divided by 10. Okay, the next step, the first thing that you must do, you know that the formula for a geometric is Tn is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. Your Tn, you are given Tn, which is equal to 729, which is equal to 10 divided by 729. The next step, you know that your a is 30, your r is 1 over 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay, the next thing that you are going to do, you'll notice that this side and this side, they are common with 10. Therefore, you are going to divide this side by 10. When you divide this side by 10, it gives you 1 divided by 729. Equal to this one, you left with 3 into 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay, you punch this 729. You punch 729 on your calculator. 729 equal to, gives you 3 to the power 6, because we want the bases to be common so that it can be easy. Okay, 1 divided by 3 to the power 6 is equal to 3 into 3 to the power negative 1 to the power n minus 1. Okay, 1 divided by 3 to the power 6 give us 3 to the power negative 6 equal to 3 into 3 to the power negative 1, negative 1 times n, 3 to the power minus n, minus 1 times minus 1 equal to plus 1, 3 to the power negative 6 equal to 3. This is 3 to the power 1. Therefore, when you turn 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power minus n plus 1, you can take this exponent to this one because the bases are the same. Therefore, minus n plus 1. You equate the exponent because bases are the same. Therefore, minus 6 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus n. Therefore, your n goes to this side equal to 2 plus 6. Therefore, your n is equal to 8. Therefore T8 is equal to 10 divided by 729. The next step is 2.1.2. In 2.1.2 you are given this question. Calculate 30 plus 10 plus 10 over 3 plus up to infinity. That means you calculate the sum up to infinity. And we say that this is sum of infinity because this is a convergence sequence. How do you see that the sequence is converging? When the sequence is converging, are always between 1 and -1. And we know that our r is equal to 1 over 3. Our a is equal to 30. And in a convergence sequence, another thing that you must know is that r cannot be equal to 0. Okay. Let us do it. The formula for sum to infinity is equal to a divided by 1 minus r. In a convergence sequence, you use this formula. Is equal to our a is equal to 30 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. Punch it on your calculator. 30 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. Therefore our answer here is equal to 45. Therefore our sum is equal to 45. The next question is the last question. Let us see it. The last question is saying that determine formula for the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic sequence if the first term of the sequence is a and the common difference is d. What does this question means? This question means that you must find the formula for a arithmetic sequence. You must derive it. How did it come? Formula a arithmetic sequence. Because derive the formula for the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic sequence. If first sequence is a and the common difference is d. Okay. When you have given the question like this, what you must do, you must do two equations. Sn, you know that Sn is always equal to a plus a plus d plus a into a plus n minus 1 into d, or a plus n minus 2 into d plus this one, n, this is n minus 2. I'm very sorry for it. It is not clear. Okay. We know that the last term of the sequence is always equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You must know that. Then when we go to the second last term, we minus 1. This is the second last term of the sequence. Okay. Then we make second equation. Sn is equal to, we start at the end, a plus n minus 1 into d minus 1 into d plus a into n minus 2 into d plus a plus a plus d. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do, we say a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the next step, you add this equation, which means Sn1 plus Sn2. You add them. Therefore, 2Sn is equal to a, you add this a, which is at the first term, which this one with this one, which is 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, the next step, you add this one, a plus d, with a plus n minus 2 into d. Okay, it also gives you 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because you say a plus a is equal to 2a. Then d plus n minus 2 into d, it gives you plus n minus 1 into d. Even if you add this one with this, it is going to give you 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this one with this one. Okay, this is your step 3. They all give you 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, the next thing we must do, we say divide the next thing we we divide all this by 2. Okay, when you divide by 2, you get Sn equal to 2a plus n minus 1 into d into 2a plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, since you always get 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that means Sn is equal to Sorry, I forgot 2. Sn is equal to n, that means any n. If your sum is 3, which means you have three terms, that means your n, you will multiply your 2a plus n minus 1 into d with your n. For example, if here we have 3 terms, we have, for example, 2 terms, this you can multiply by 2 here, this 2a minus 1 into d. Okay, then n divided by this 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yeah, this question was a little bit tricky, but yeah, you must know that this n is equal to the number of terms. Yeah, this is represent the number of terms. Okay, thank you.